whoa, whoa, whoa!
You're done. Can't fight without your arms. So how about it, Kenji?
Who says I can't still fight? The chainsaw on my head is all I need to end!
Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit?
You got the dick in predictable. And went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach ya? Beasts should know better than to trust what a hunter